Hi everyone, I hope you're all well. It's David here at Digitrains. Here's a video of a recent sound installation completed by our workshop manager, John G. This time on a pair of Bachmann 009 Baldwin locomotives. John has tried something new with this installation, using a Zimo MX689 Next 18 decoder loaded with our ZS-BA Baldwin active drive sound file as usual, but upgrading the factory fitted speaker with a rail exclusive 15x11x9 speaker, which is fitted in the coal bunker rear cab area, and a 87207 stair live, which is hidden on the underside of the roof, which you can see in the installation photos. The stair live and speaker combo have really enhanced this great little model. And now I'll demonstrate the Lais DCC stair live in action. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to click like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you're interested in getting decoders, sound or non-sound, installed in your locos, please get in touch with our workshop team, either via email johng@digitrains.co.uk or over the phone on 01522 527 731. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.